Hello, very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss one of the topic, and the name of that topic is types of flowering plants on the basis of longevity. So we have to discuss different types of the flowering plant, and the base for this particular types of the flowering plant is nothing but the longevity of the flowering plants. We all know that surrounding to us, whatever may be the different kinds of the plant you observe, there are two different types of the flower. There are two different kinds of the plants are there. One of the group that bear the flower is going to be called as flowering plant, and the another group that couldn't bear the flower, this group is going to be called as non-flowering plants. So in this today's topic, we have to discuss about the flowering plants and their types on the basis of the longevity. I already told you that the flowering plants that may going to produce is the flowers and seed for their reproduction purpose, and such a type of the group of the flowering plant are also going to be called as angiospermic plants. So angiospermic plants on the basis of their longevity, that means how much time they take to complete their life, that is going to be considered as the longevity of that particular plant. So time duration for to complete their life, that is the longevity. So on the basis of the longevity, or on the basis of the time taken for to complete their life, on that basis these flowering plants, or you say that the angiospermic plant, there are four different types of the flowering plant. One of them, the first one is nothing but the ephemeral. ये ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ द प्लांट होता है दैट कंप्लीट देयर लाइफ विद इन अ ईयर, not within a year but within the month. So ephemeral is a group of that particular angiospermic plant which complete their life within a month, that you say that within a few weeks. And the another group is nothing but the annuals. So this group of the plant, they complete their life within one single year, or you can say that within a single favorable season. And third type is nothing but the biannuals. So biannual, that group of the plant which complete their life within two favorable season, or you say that within 2 years, those complete their life, they may going to be called as biannual. So that is the third group. And the last group is nothing but the perennial. यूज ट्रीज, आपके सराउंडिंग में जितने भी बड़े बड़े ट्रीज दिखाई दे रहे हैं आप लोगों को, ये सारे ट्रीज दे कंप्लीट देयर लाइफ, फॉर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ देयर लाइफ दे रिक्वायर मोर देन 2 years, and such a type of that particular plants are going to be considered as perennials. So these all are nothing but 4 different types of the angiospermic plant on the basis of their longevity. So now we are going to discuss about the details of all that particular types of the flowering plant on the basis of the longevity. There are 4 types. One of them is nothing but the ephemerals. So ephemeral plant, they just grow near about the desert condition or in a very cold countries. That means wherever there is a very unfavorable environmental condition, in that situation such a type of that particular plant grow, and they complete their life within a very quick period. That means you say that their lifespan is near about 20 to 20 years there. That means they complete their life within 1 month. And the best example is nothing but the Arabidopsis plant is there. The next group is nothing but the annuals. The annual, that group of the plant, that group of the flowering plant, they complete their life within one single year or within a single favorable season. And in that particular favorable season, they are going to produce the flower, they are going to produce the fruits and seeds, and then after that within the year they may get died, and they pass that particular unfavorable period of that year in the form of the seed, and the next season they also get germinate. And the best example, all these particular annual group of the plant is nothing but the many our crop plants, just like wheat, rice, maize. You may just observe this particular picture, you also name that particular plant. So this one is nothing but the rice, and this one is nothing but the maize plant. They also complete their life within an year. So that's why this particular group of the plant are going to be called as annuals. Third group is nothing but the biannual. I already told you that they complete their life within a 2 year, and the best example you may just found in the picture is that radish, beet, carrot. These particular plant, they complete their life within 2 years. The first year they are going to purchase the vegetative growth, and in the next season they are going to bear the flowers, and also they stored food material underground their roots. And the last group is nothing but the perennials. I already told you that there are so many different kinds of the plants surrounding to us which are huge trees, and this particular plant, they take more than 2 years for to complete their life, such type of that particular plants are going to be called as perennials. In this perennial there are two types. Those perennial plants which bear flower and fruit only once in their life, they may going to be called as the monocarpic plant, and the best example is nothing but the agave and bamboo plant is there. And the next one is nothing but the polycarpic plant, just like as the mango, china flower and the tamarind like plant, they bear fruits year after year. That means many times they are going to produce the flowers and fruit. Such type of that particular perennial plants are going to be called as polycarpic plant. So thank you very much.